Want to play Minecraft on your Chromebook? Then this video is for you. Hey, in this video, we'll discuss how to install Minecraft Education Edition on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Minecraft Education Edition on your Chromebook, first of all, you have to enable Google Play Store support. Simply open Settings application, click on Apps and simply set up Google Play Store on your Chromebook. I have already enabled it, that's why I'm not getting the option. So I already have a video on how you can enable Google Play Store service on your Chromebook. So I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have make sure that you have enabled Google Play Store support, simply open Google Play Store. You can open it from the app launcher. Here you will find Google Play Store. Simply click on it and here search for Minecraft Education and select it from the search result and click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation has been completed, you can simply click on open button to play Minecraft Education Edition on your Chromebook. There is also another way. For that, you can simply click on this app launcher icon and here you will find Minecraft Education Edition. Simply click on it to open the application. Now to play Minecraft Education, simply log in with your school or organization account. So that's it. This is how you can install and play Minecraft Education Edition on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.